It's damn near 6 o'clock at night. I got all dressed, went to a client's house at 4. Client didn't show up. Sometimes they're supposed to be home, but if they're not home, then nothing else I can do but go home and get paid full price. So I got really upset and I decided to come home and work on my Honda. I'm going to work really, really hard on that Honda. You see, this color matches this color, doesn't it? So it's okay to drink that. Six o'clock at night, and it's getting a little nice out here. Not too many barking dogs. I have this cat. This cat's going to get a flea bath tonight, and she knows it. That's why she's trying to escape. Flea bath! You're going to get a flea bath, little bitch. That's right. Hope you get drowned. My daughter's going to do it. She's somewhere in there. I don't know. 15-year-old girls that run all over the place. I don't even know where they are. And I keep thinking, you know, the motor, God, am I ever going to get this thing in? Am I ever going to get these parts together? And after I get most of this stuff close, it's going to work out okay. I still don't know what this extra tube is for. We have an overflow right here. We have an exhaust tube here. The intake tube is right there, which is this thing, which goes in here. Intake, outtake, ingress, egress, overflow, and I have no idea what that is. Anyway, if someone knows what that is, please let me know. I'm going to see if I can find a fan that fits in this cavity, so I can stick it right on here. I'll have to make a mount for it, so I can stick it right there and have a fan behind it, and then of course the air will blow through these two holes which are in the package compartment. It doesn't work really good, but it works good enough, I guess. And then of course the air flows through these two large holes that are in the package cover. I mean, that's the theory anyway. And then of course a lot of this stuff is experimental. As far as where to go? Oh, this right here is not your father's water pump. This is an Audi water pump, and somewhere it's going to go right here with the nice thing about this pump is they do show you which way the water goes. But this is a question I have for all my friends out there that race these water-cooled DIOs. Is it better to have the water be pumped in from right here into the cylinder and then go down the hose and up to the very top of the radiator right here, and then exit the water pump and go down this way and start all over again? Or is it better to have this pump work in the other way, where it's taking hot water directly from the cylinder and blowing it up this way? That I've never figured out what will work. And these two experimental things I've come across. I don't know how many gallons per minute this does. It was made in Germany, so it must be pretty good. I'm thinking, well, if I have a lot of water flowing, maybe that will cool off the cylinder. But there's another form of thought that says, well, maybe if you're blowing so much water through the radiator, it doesn't have time to cool it. And that, I just don't know. So if any of you out there have a opinion on that, I'd appreciate it, because, see, I'm just a lone Haole. Haole in Hawaiian means a beloved white person that brought civilization to the Hawaiian Islands. Bullshit. Bullshit. No, it means that if you're a white person, then you're an asshole. And I'll tell you what, to most Hawaiians, I've met a lot of white people, okay? Most of them are all assholes. DIOSpeedDEMON, rock on. Thank you, VT Cycles. Thank you, Stephen Van Treese.